students. Today we learn new topic in first year zoology. Unit 1 species concept. So what is species? Species is the basic unit of classification already known. Nana. So in this way about species, some of the scientists can be they can view their concepts in different ways. Nana. So for example in our classrooms one work to students, the students cannot be done the work in same way. Nana. So different candidates or students can be done in their own way, and in this way for the species concept different scientists can be kind of different concepts. So that's why today we learn about the species concept. Nana. So one is the John Ray. So in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum, so used the term of species and described it to on the basis of common descent as group of morphological and similar of the organism. So he kind that the one of the he wrote one book, Nana, so about species. So that is the Historia Generalis Plantarum. So in this way, so morphologically, so similarly organisms can be kind. Nana. And the next one is the second scientist is the Linnaeus. So Linnaeus already well known. Nana. So Linnaeus kind the species in his book Systema Naturae as the basic unit of classification. Nana. So two scientists. Nana. One is the John Ray and second one is the species Linnaeus. And third scientist Buffon in his book. What is the book? Nana? He wrote one book for the species concept and natural history. So Buffon wrote one book, Nana, that is the natural history, proposed the idea of evolution of species, which is the foundation for the biological concept of the evolution. So in this way evolutionary purpose he wrote one book, Nana, about the species concept, that is the natural history. And the next one is the Charles Darwin. So he is one of the scientists, Nana, Charles Darwin. So this biological concepts of species become more popular with the publications of book, Nana. So that is the origin of species. So this is the most important for the MSET and NEET bits, Nana. So four scientists, Nana, again we can see one is the John Ray wrote one book, Nana, Historia Generalis Plantarum, and Linnaeus wrote one book about the species concept, that is the Systema Naturae. And the next one is the Buffon wrote one book on natural history about a concept of biological evolutionary concept of evolution. And the next one is the origin of species, so by the Charles Darwin. So until four scientists can be concept in species concept about. So according to Buffon, biological concept of species explains the species is an inbreeding group of similar individuals and sharing a common gene pool and producing fertile offspring, Nana. So in this way the penguins all are similar group, Nana, same species within the same species, all are inbreeding within the species and producing of the fertile offspring. So that is the concept viewed by the Buffon. And next one, according to Dobzhansky is also one of the scientists, Nana, introduced the concept of Mendelian population. So while defining is a group of sexual reproducing individuals within a mating take place, they share a common gene pool. Here also the gene pool also commonly share, Nana. So that's why the Mendelian population coined by the Dobzhansky is one of the scientists. And the next one is the population of species inhabiting different geological areas. So what is that, Nana? Geological areas and continuous process of adapting to the continuous of their surrounding environments. If in case we can see in the diagrammatic, Nana, so both are the squirrels. So whenever we see the dividing of some barriers, geological graphicals, some of the earthquakes or some of the rivers can be flow. So in this way two areas can be separated. So in these two areas the organisms can be surviving with the modifications, the adaptations can be changed to this environment. So in this way, so here you can see, Nana, so the black the tail is in blackish in color and darkish in color. So here some of the areas of the animals or species can be, the tail of the squirrels is in whitish color now. So this can be happen adapting to the conditions of their surrounding environment. This leads to evolution of new species in course of time. So the species is dynamic. And now we can focus the species is considered a group of individuals which are, one is the reproductive isolated from the individuals of other species, Nana. So one species can be reproducing within the only one species. They can't individually reproducing with the other species, Nana. These called as breeding unit. So whenever we see geographical isolation, two species can be separated. So here, so within the two species, they can't reproducing with one species to other species, Nana. So the inbreeding can be only occur within the species. So that is called as breeding unit. And the second one is the species considered a group of individuals which are sharing the same ecological niche. So an ecological unit. So these species can be occupy only survive in the ecological niche. So that is called as ecological unit. And the third one is the species is considered a group of individuals which are showing similarly in the karyotype of gene unit, genetic unit. So example, when we can see in humans, Nana, so human beings having the 23 pairs of chromosomes. In these 23 pairs of chromosomes showing in diagrammatically manner, so that is called as ideogram. So in this way, these karyotype can be showing, that is called as genetic unit, showing similar in karyotype of the genetic unit. And fourth one is the species is considered a group of individuals which having similar structure and functional characters, so such as evolutionary unit. Some of the changes can be occurred, so that is the structural and functionally characters. So in this way, so the finally, so whenever the breeding can be occurred within the species, the breeding can be occurred. So in some cases, Nana, so one closely related species and the mating or breeding with the other species. So if in case when we see in or mating with the male horse and the female donkeys, so in this way both species is different, Nana. So in this both species is different and formation of one hybrid, so that is called as hinni. So this is the sterile hybrid, Nana. So this is most important for the MCET and NEET bits, Nana. So how can the hinni is produced, Nana? So the cross reaction or the inbreeding in between the male horse and the female donkey. So in this way producing of one sterile hybrid, that is called as hinni. Okay, this is ending of the topic, Nana. Thank you.